Welcome back to Turn Up the Heat, the weekly series where I make videos about making spicy foods. Today, we're going to be making some jalapeno popcorn. This stuff is super tasty. Let's turn up the heat. Now all you need for this recipe is some popcorn kernels, some jalapenos, and some vegetable oil. First, we're going to slice up our jalapenos. Just cut them into nice little slices, just like that. You can de-seed them if you want, but it's not a requirement. And just like that, all of our jalapenos are sliced. Next, we'll need to get a large pot and add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, we need to add all of our jalapenos, just like that, and then turn on the heat. Turn it to high, and what you're going to do is wait for these to start getting slightly brown, and once they're slightly brown, we're going to add our popcorn. It's been a couple minutes, so let's check on our jalapenos. And I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but they're starting to get ever so slightly brown. So what we're going to do is add in 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels. And then give this a good stir just to make sure everything is nice and coated in oil. If it's not coated in oil, it could burn, and that would not be good. Also, one other thing that I forgot to mention to you guys, make sure to have adequate ventilation, such as an open window, because if you don't, your air could get a little bit spicy inside of your kitchen, and you do not want spicy air, trust me. Alright, so once that's in there, we're going to turn the heat back on. I turned it off just temporarily so I wouldn't be splashed by hot oil. And then what we're going to do is wait a couple minutes and your kernels should start popping. While you're waiting on those popcorn kernels to pop, it might be a good idea just to give it a little bit of a shake every once in a while, just to make sure that there's nothing sitting on the bottom that'll stick. Again, just shake it a little bit, mix everything up. After a couple minutes, you should get popcorn kernels starting to pop. What you're going to do is, once most of these kernels inside look popped, you're going to turn off the heat, and you're going to wait another 1 to 2 minutes, and this will allow any extra kernels to finish popping. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear the sound too well on camera, but there's about 1 second in between pops. So, what that means is that our popcorn is pretty much done. So we're going to go here and turn off the heat. And again, like I said, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to allow anything extra inside to pop. It's been about 2 minutes and everything seems to have stopped popping. So we're going to take off the lid, and that looks absolutely fantastic. You can see a little jalapeno right in there. So you can take this and scoop it into a bowl. Might be easier to pour it. Now that all of our popcorn is in a bowl, we are just about done. Just look at those beautiful cooked jalapenos on there. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like a little bit of salt on my popcorn. So we're just gonna lightly salt this. If you guys enjoyed this super simple recipe, I hope you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and maybe even share this video. I'll see you guys next week for more.